Rishab Pant?
I pass on the question to her, please.
What hashtag would you give?
All the best for Australia.
And उर्वशी का क्या take है? शादी करनी चाहिए?
हाँ बिल्कुल, सभी को करनी चाहिए.
इंडियन
हे
क्रिकेट
भगवान.
टीम से किसी दो क्रिकेटर के साथ लव ट्रायंगल बनाना हो तो वो कौन से दो क्रिकेटर्स होंगे?
All are married. नहीं वो अपनी टीम में अच्छा खेलें, वो क्या ये लव ट्रायंगल लव
I know.
रेक्टेंगल में मत फंसाइए.
आपकी फेवरेट आईपीएल टीम कौन सी है?
I like RCB. अलीरी आरी पिया बिन.
हेलो नमस्ते, मैं हूँ पूजा नवाथे, आप देख रहे हैं फिल्मी ज्ञान एंड टुडे आई हैव टू सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड पर्सनालिटीज विद मी, स्टार्टिंग विद उर्वशी रौटेला. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू फिल्मी ज्ञान, जिनकी खूबसूरती की जितनी तारीफ करो उतनी कम है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट शैल, हेलो एंड वेलकम टू फिल्मी ज्ञान. ही हैज़ क्रिएटेड हिस्ट्री विद वन ऑफ हिज सॉन्ग that we still remember and it feels nostalgic as well.
Thank you.
So now talking about Rabba Kare. How did you come up with this title?
I think it's a title, it was complete team effort. We were discussing on a lot of titles using, inside the lyrics of the song. But then we realized Rabba Kare is a very catchy, very spontaneous title which will be remembered very easily. बस वहाँ से हमने इसको सोचा कि we will stick to it and that's how the whole song was created.
Urvashi, you are a superb actress. इस album में, you are fitting into the corporate world.
Yeah,
Have you
yeah.
ever thought of, being part of corporate world, like doing a simple job when you were not an actress?
No, never.
No?
Never.
कभी ऐसा thought आया था कि मैं भी 9 to 5 जॉब करके देखती हूँ, कभी आया था ऐसे ख्याल?
I had like engineering or like wanted to be an IAS officer. There were multiple things like a gymnast.
Correct.
It was always changing all the time, but not really.
नहीं कभी ध्यान में. तो जब आप शूटिंग कर रही थी, जब आप उन कपड़ों में थी, उस यू वेंट फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, रिमेंबर योर ऑडिशन डेज? वही नर्वसनेस होती है ना कि आप पास
like,
होंगे कैसे?
Oh, see, I mean, like beauty pageant auditions are completely different,
Yeah.
and modeling auditions are
Exactly.
completely different from this one. But I mean, it's like it felt very natural. It was like a very smooth process.
एंड शैल, जितना इस गाने में हम देख रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं मैनिफेस्टेशन भी नज़र आ रहा है. यू सी हर इन द लिफ्ट एंड देन यू काइंड ऑफ want to be close to her and then suddenly she is there for the interview. आप दोनों से पूछना चाहूँगी, रियल लाइफ में आप मैनिफेस्टेशन में कितना बिलीव करते हैं?
I think everybody believes in manifestation. I think it's very important because if you don't manifest, then you don't have the opportunity to to discover things, right? I mean, or to think about various things. So I feel that even in this video when she enters the lift, I'm a very stern businessman. Like the look is very stern. The lift door opens and she enters. But I see this beautiful face, her smile. That's how I completely manifest. I wish, I can meet her. So then I disguise myself. I play undercover. I mean, not undercover. वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Like, disguise is the right word. So I kind of, change my clothes and quickly, try to tell her that कि boss, तो वही मैंने manifest किया उसी time.
Correct.
So I think everybody has that. Everybody, believes in manifestation, and I think it's important. It's a good thing,
ऋषि, आप कितना बिलीव करती है मैनिफेस्टेशन में? कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो मैनिफेस्ट हुई हो आपकी लाइफ
For
में?
me, yes, of course. For me, prayers are a form of manifestation, and I still remember that there was this one thing which is I wanted to win the title of Miss Universe India. And luckily मेरा double triple time manifestation हो गया. In fact पूरा 10x times हो गया that I won 2 times Miss Universe India, एक बारी भी नहीं. And then I became the Miss Universe judge. So I think जितना चाहा उससे 100 गुना ज़्यादा मिल गया. So yeah.
क्या बात है. और इस कोलैबोरेशन के बारे में क्या बताना चाहेंगे?
I think before I begin about the collaboration, I think she's a very hardworking woman herself. I mean, I think she's come from a very small state. Not a small state, but it's like reasonably Uttarakhand. I have worked with a lot of people, like in terms of composing music, and so what I see that पता नहीं मुझे लगता है कि जो पहाड़ से जो लोग होते हैं ना, उनमें ना मेहनत एक नेचुरल होता है उनके अंदर. They work very hard. And I think Urvashi, I mean, I'm not like flattering her, but I feel that because of her hard work, she has reached to this stage in her life.
Definitely.
And that's, and I think, and also that's the support from her parents and her well-wishers or whatever. And collaboration was fantabulous. We had a beautiful time working together. I think she's a very big music lover. She understands good music. That's why she's worked in a lot of other videos before, and she knows the essence of a melody. And so we were, me and my wife Samiksha, the first choice was her. But so we contacted one of a very dear friend, Firoz Khan, is the director of the video. So I through Firoz Bhai, I told him that like we want to if you have links to get into get to Urvashi. So he kind of told me, yeah, I'm going to try. So luckily she was, because she's like a a travel wizard. She's traveling all over the world.
True.
She's not staying at one place. So but luckily we're happy that those dates which we finalized to shoot, 23rd, 24th of October. So she was there, and we shot the video. बहुत अच्छा हुआ, and अभी release हो गया. I hope people will like it, and more than anything, it was a beautiful moment for all of us to create,
Definitely.
to do something good for this song. And I'm really happy that she's here. I mean, in this video, क्योंकि मुझे भी as a singer, I also feel very proud that she's there in the video, because she's a a big known face in the industry. People know her, and obviously when you join hand with somebody of this caliber, you feel very proud for the song.
True.
So this.
But still, do you really feel that I travel too much?
Yeah, we see
because
we keep
मैंने-
seeing your
actually
post on
क्या हुआ
social
था?
media.
Yeah, I think
So
so,
because
yeah.
last time I think we met at India's best dancer, जो सोनी में थे. So she came from Goa, and then same day she was leaving again for Goa. I think.
Wow.
तो मुझे I'm sure that she is, and it's a good thing. I mean, she's enjoying her. So I remembered that conversation. तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि अच्छी बात है. देखो, a person,
Right.
when you're traveling, globe trotted आप होते हो, you should enjoy your work.
Right.
And the day you start feeling कि मुझे मज़ा नहीं आ रहा ना, then everything goes into waste. So I think she enjoys. I'm sure.
इतनी सारी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, आप इतनी हार्ड वर्किंग है और आप
No,
हमेशा
definitely.
काम करती रहती है और ट्रैवलिंग सो मच. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस?
I think it's with all the artists, all the actors, be it you're a singer or an actor. Traveling is one of those reasons, and everybody has to travel. और साथ ही साथ अगर ग्लोबली आप काम कर रहे हैं तो फिर तो और ज़्यादा स्पैन बढ़ जाता है ट्रैवल का. कभी पेरिस, फ्रांस, समटाइम्स न्यूयॉर्क. सो ट्रैवलिंग, आई रियली विश कि कुछ एक ऐसा गैजेट होता कि प्रेस करते और सीधे डेस्टिनेशन पहुंच जाते हैं.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल. और इतने सारे टैलेंट के बारे में तो पता ही है, लेकिन आज एक और टैलेंट के बारे में हमें पता चला, जो है सिंगिंग. अब गाना भी गाती है. वाओ. क्या हमारे फिल्मी ज्ञान के दर्शकों के लिए 2 लाइन आप गुनगुना सकती है? I think you can join her.
I would love to, but I think बहुत सारी इंटरव्यूज़ में, मेरी पर्सनल इंटरव्यूज़ में, गाना जो होता है ना, वो एक्चुअली वो दिल से निकलता है. And honestly I'm telling you, sometimes it happened to me also. On a shoot, like somebody told me you have to sing a song. So I said, let's talk first. Maybe I get in the mood in that zone to sing.
True.
So I think that's but she has a beautiful voice. We all heard that. And when she told me that, she sings, she loves melodies, I was very impressed. And, actually I wasn't surprised, because she comes from, पहाड़,
Yes.
तो that mountains में एक म्यूज़िक का नेचुरली एसेंस बहुत प्यारा होता है. तो वहाँ पर तो मतलब बहुत सारे लोग गाते हैं, they enjoy music. I think, and she's one of them. That's a hidden talent. I'm
That's
really
the
happy
most thing.
that she shared this with me. I was very impressed
Would
when
you
she
like
told
to
me.
just sing one line?
रब्बा करे ऐसा कुछ होवे, तेरा दिल मैं बन जावा. अब आगे आपको सुनना पड़ेगा. Now she has to sing. हमें वो जुगलबंदी कर रहा है actually.
जुगलबंदी हो रही है गाने की. Now it's your turn.
अलीरी आरी पिया बिना, अलीरी आरी पिया बिना, सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो, रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन हेरी आरी पिया बिन.
Lovely. Is it
Wow.
Urvashi? Is this a folk song from
This is a
Uttarakhand?
folk song?
Is it one of the
Yeah,
folk?
it's like
कौन
a,
सा?
I think
it is a
local language,
traditional-
traditional language. Yeah, yeah.
ट्रेडिशनल. क्या आप अभी सिंगिंग सीख रहे हो या एज अ
नहीं,
पैशन?
like
बचपन में
not
आप
like
गाती थी?
हाँ, बचपन में.
You know, actually, ना मैं बताऊँ आपको, a lot of people keep asking me about the same question that music is gifted. Any art is gifted. रियाज से क्या है कि थोड़ा बहुत, अब देखो किशोरदा ने कभी क्लासिकल ट्रेनिंग नहीं की थी. बहुत सारे सिंगर्स हैं एंड मैंने बहुत सारे क्लासिकल ट्रेन सिंगर को सुना है कि वो अच्छा नहीं गाते. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आई एम टेलिंग यू, क्योंकि ना आवाज़ जो है ना वो एक भगवान की देन है. अब हाँ, हल्का सा देखो, थोड़ी बहुत एक नॉलेज, लाइक इवन आई एम नॉट क्लासिकली, लाइक आई हैव डन सेमी क्लासिकल बट नॉट लाइक फुली हिंदुस्तान क्लासिकल म्यूजिक. मुझे बहुत बचपन में शौक था म्यूजिक का. जैसे अभी ये कह रही हैं कि यू नो दैट शी लव्ड म्यूजिक, यू नो, सिंस शी वाज स्मॉल. सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ नेचुरल थिंग. द वॉइस इज नेचुरल, बट आप ये है कि सुन सुन के यू नो थोड़ा बहुत हल्का रियाज कर लेते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन यू नो डू वंडर्स विद योर वॉइस. बट आई थिंक इट्स गिफ्टेड.
Gifted.
I know, it's gifted,
Well,
yeah.
Talking about this, coming back to the song, in the end, love wins. Like you win her heart. तो पूछना चाहूँगी, रियल लाइफ में किसी ने दिल जीता है आपका? आपका तो ऑफ कोर्स समीक्षा जी.
जी.
उर्वशी, आपका किसी ने रियल लाइफ में दिल जीता है? किसी से प्यार हुआ है?
She already knows.
Yeah.
I think that she's more curious to ask about you, but only if she's comfortable. कभी
Of
क्या होता है,
course.
कुछ you know कुछ questions होते हैं जो you know your personal, you know, I think it's
Yeah.
वो तो.
Yes.
तो या कभी किसी ने दिल जीता है आपका? कभी किसी से प्यार हुआ है?
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल. आई थिंक ये सभी के साथ होता है एंड यस.
क्या बात है. आई थिंक इज द लकी गाय. वैसे आप शादीशुदा है तो कभी बातों बातों में आपने शादी के बारे में अच्छी अच्छी बातें करके उर्वशी को इन्फ्लुएंस किया है कि शादी भी करनी चाहिए? एंड उर्वशी का क्या टेक है, शादी करनी चाहिए?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. सभी को करनी चाहिए.
I think once in a lifetime you do want, you know, it's not about getting married. Even like like I also am a very open-minded person. Like even a lovely live-in relationship also is not bad. You know, when you have you know, partner. I have so many friends who actually are living in for last 20 years. You know, and they haven't. मैंने पूछा, मैंने कहा आप शादी नहीं, कहते हम तो साथ में ही है ना. अभी मतलब we are like together. You know, और एक तो friend है मेरा, उसका तो 2 बच्चे भी हैं उनके. You know, बस शादी नहीं की. Actually ऐसे भी होता है.
But of course times have changed.
Yeah, yeah,
if you
yeah.
have heard now,
I mean, it's
terms
like,
have changed.
yeah,
love की जगह पे
relationships, you know, can
आ
be,
गए हैं.
yeah,
Have
I
you
mean-
heard of situationship?
No, I only believe of what I've seen in my life and the family from the kind of family where I come from. We believe in the institution of marriage, and in my family, everybody, like you know, they like it's such a happy, nice. You know, marriages still they are all together. So I believe in what I've seen. I don't believe in rest other bullshit things. Yes.
Yeah, actually, you know, she's absolutely right, because I also believe because the family I come from, you know, I belong to a very it used to be a small city, Ludhiana in Punjab. So वहाँ पर भी, you know, institution of marriage was very important. I've seen my you know parents living together. Like I have you know 2 siblings. तो definitely एक जो marriage है, you know, see it's something which is very special, but you have to find that special person you want to live your entire life with. That is very difficult.
Correct.
कभी-कभी वो flings बहुत लोगों के होते हैं, but you know that marriage ना, वो तो ये है कि एक बंधन है
बंधन है, बिल्कुल. You तो got your
Yeah,
love of
so
your
that is
life.
something
So
which,
wishing
yeah.
all the best to उर्वशी. आपको जब भी आपके
thank you.
सपनों का राजकुमार मिल जाए,
Thank
हमें
you.
जरूर बताइएगा, because the fans want to know.
नहीं,
Okay, moving on to the segment. So we have 2 segments. The first one is the hashtag show. I'm going to mention few names और आपको hashtag देना है.
Okay.
Okay? So the first one is Shahrukh Khan.
Hashtag romance.
Hash.
I think I would say action and romance together.
Okay. Ranbir Kapoor.
Subtle romance. I like him in those you know subtle roles. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil.
Hashtag a great actor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aishwarya Rai.
Hashtag beauty. I would say that's my.
Hashtag I would say hashtag international face for Indian cinema. Yeah.
True, absolutely. Anushka Sharma.
Hashtag Virat Kohli.
Oh,
Hashtag रबड़ी बनाती जोड़ी.
क्या बात है. टॉकिंग विराट कोहली के लिए क्या हैशटैग देंगे?
Hashtag cricket legend.
A great sportsman, yeah.
Of course, talking about cricketer Sachin Tendulkar.
Hashtag inspiration.
I would say he's like the god of the Indian, I mean the cricket, I would say. Like
True.
Amazing.
Absolutely. Rohit Sharma.
Hashtag cutie.
That is, he's my favorite. Who is your favorite from the cricket team? Yeah.
I think very proud of the entire cricket team, but my favorite, what?
Rohit Sharma is my favorite.
Yeah, all of them are good.
Who is your favorite?
I like Virat.
Okay.
Yeah, my
Okay.
favorite.
The next one is Rishab Pant.
Oh, Rishab Pant. I pass on the question to her, please.
What hashtag would you give to?
You have to give it first. You have to give it first. All the best for Australia.
Oh,
I think I would say the same thing. Yes. नहीं कभी कभी सेम भी हो सकता है ना
बिल्कुल. Okay. तो आप कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हो ऋषभ पंत के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
नहीं बहुत अच्छा बोला. I think I would take that answer. That's a lovely answer.
बिल्कुल. दीपिका पादुकोण.
Hashtag dua.
Oh yeah.
Hashtag Padmavat. I have seen that movie more than 8 times. I mean, I
Wow.
just loved. You know, the movie was good, but the whole scenario, the way it was, like the screenplay, जो like Sanjay Leela Bhansali की जो एक vision है,
बिल्कुल.
so sets, that whole design was amazing.
True.
The
Yeah.
art design,
Absolutely.
loved it. Every single frame.
And the last name is Salman Khan.
Hashtag bhai.
Oh, bhai. Okay.
Sabka bhai.
Hashtag a big admirer. Yeah.
Okay. And our last segment is what the comments. I have few comments for you both. You have to react to the comments. Okay. The first one is for Urvashi. यार कितनी आग लगाती हो फायर फैक्ट्री हो क्या? It's compliment.
Yeah. Thank you.
आपके लिए सेकंड वन है
जी.
शैल जी. अगला सॉन्ग आप किसके साथ करना चाहेंगे?
Wow. I'm just going with the flow. I'm happy to do with her. I've made one beautiful song, so let's
Yes.
see.
Again, Urvashi. Wow. Urvashi is like, सामने से हटो. मैं सोचती हूँ फिर.
What is it?
He said अगला गाना भी आपके साथ वो
Yeah,
करना
same,
पसंद
same,
करेंगे.
same.
Okay, next comment is for you. फुटबॉलर के साथ लव ट्रायंगल बना दिया. अगर इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम से किसी 2 क्रिकेटर के साथ लव ट्रायंगल बनाना हो तो वो कौन से 2 क्रिकेटर्स होंगे?
All are married. तो मुझे क्यों आप प्रॉब्लम में डाल रही हैं?
सारे थोड़ी मैरिड है.
She knows.
She knows
Wow.
more. केवल कौन बचे हैं?
फुटबॉलर के नाम ले लिया, अभी क्रिकेटर की भी ले लो, उनको बुरा लग जाएगा फिर.
नहीं, नहीं वो अपनी टीम में अच्छा खेले, वो क्या ये लव ट्रायंगल लव
I know.
रेक्टेंगल में मत फंसाइए.
हाँ.
बट फिर भी अगर आपके 2 चॉइसेस हो, 2 फेवरेट्स पिक करने हो तो?
नहीं ऐसे नहीं, सब अच्छे हैं.
That's a good answer.
क्या
सब
बात
अच्छे
है.
हैं.
मिस यूनिवर्स के सामने बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड की सारे हीरोइन फेल है.
अच्छा, this is fans comment. Oh my god. Thank you. That's it.
ओके. आपकी फेवरेट आईपीएल टीम कौन सी है? बोथ ऑफ यू.
I like. I don't really watch the IPL,
Okay.
but I like Shah Rukh's team. I think the Kolkata Knight Riders. Yeah.
I like
The good team.
I like RCB.
You like RCB. And why?
I don't know. I like RCB and
You support
Delhi
RCB.
Capitals.
I think Delhi Capitals also is very good.
Yeah.
Okay. The last one is for you. सोनिया हीरे 2 क्या आप करना
कर
चाहेंगे
ही दो.
और किसको कास्ट करेंगे?
Actually, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता. Not possible. You know, it's because that melody is done, it's made. I keep telling people, you know, DDLJ was made. That's why it's, you know, playing at Maratha Mandir for the longest time, since so many, more than 25 years. You can't do it again. You know, एक बन चुकी है चीज़.
Absolutely. History is
I would, you know,
created,
हाँ,
like I
you know,
said.
but you know, it's good. Like people keep asking.
Yeah.
कि बनाओ बनाओ बनाओ, ठीक है?
बट बिल्कुल इंटरव्यू एंड करने से पहले अगर वो गाना मैंने नहीं
जी.
सुना तो इनकम्प्लीट सा लगेगा ये इंटरव्यू. दो
Okay.
लाइनें.
Okay जी, sure. तू ही जिंद मेरी दिल दा करार नी तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता सोहणीए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी ए सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी ए.
क्या बात है. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
एंड
No, I am so happy कि आपने इनको भी गवाया. बड़ा मजा आया, you know. See, but it's good ना.
इट्स गुड.
इतना अच्छा लगता है देखो
अलग-अलग
कि
टैलेंट्स नजर आने
you know, yeah,
चाहिए
yeah,
बिकॉज़ आप तो नेक्स्ट एल्बम लेके आ रहे हो, इनके साथ पता चल गया.
बस I've
नेक्स्ट
just
क्या है पाइपलाइन में
इनके
उर्वशी
साथ,
फॉर यू?
इनके साथ.
so no, that's very
अपार्ट फ्रॉम
sweet of
दैट
her.
मूवीज
इनके
में
साथ.
कब देखेंगे हम?
My movie is coming up titled Daku Maharaj.
ओके.
आप प्लीज़ देखिए डाकू महाराज. इट हैज़ मी एंड बालाकृष्ण गारू एंड बॉबी देओल इन द फिल्म और बहुत ही मेगा फिल्म है. एक्शन फिल्म. आई प्ले अ पुलिस ऑफिसर. आई डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस इन इट. तो देखना बुरे मकर संक्रांति के दिन आ रही है.
क्या बात है.
यस डाकू महाराज.
Urvashi, you are doing action, you are singing, you are doing so many things. You hold so much of talent. You have more than 70 million followers on your social media. How do you stay relevant in today's age and time?
I think for me, for any artist, it's very important to keep delivering quality over quantity, and always giving out something new. And I truly believe that work is worship. That's what I believe
Very
in.
true, very
Any
true.
kind of work, no work is smaller or bigger, and giving a lot of respect to what we do. Finally, I think kind of multiplies in what we actually want to do. So yeah.
Yeah.
Giving a lot of respect to our work.
Yeah.
That's
Definitely.
most important.
Yeah. All the best to you and thank you so
Thank
much
you so
for
much.
creating such a melody that we still
Also,
remember.
I'm
Yeah.
so
You want to
sorry.
add? Yeah,
Special
please,
thanks to my fans, to all the Urvashians, and to all my fan clubs. I love you all, and thank you so very much for always, for always taking such good care of me, for always loving me, and for showering me with so much love that I can't even explain. So thank you. I love you all.
So sweet. And Shael ji, thank you so much.
Thank you,
because,
thank you.
आज के टाइम पे आज के दौर में गाने याद नहीं रहते हैं, लिरिक्स याद नहीं रहते हैं, लेकिन आपने लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट में कहूँगी आपके गाने से क्रिएट किया.
नहीं,
सो ऑल द बेस्ट.
thank you
कीप
so much.
क्रिएटिंग सच
Yeah, yeah,
मेलोडीज.
Yes.
I'll keep trying.
Thank you so much.
Rabba Kare next.
Thank you.
Rabba Kare next. Thank you so much.
Thank you.